and Beach Adventures with Chris. We are at Phi Phi Don Island, beautiful island here in Thailand that actually belongs to Krabi. I thought it's part of Phuket, but it is not. And this is Don Alum Beach, I believe so. Here we have stopped for the next stop on my boat tour, and it is now time for me to show you some of the beaches in Phi Phi Island. And I don't have that much time actually, so this will be a very quick episode indeed, as I need to get back to the boat soon. So this is Loh Dalum beach, and on the other side is Ton Sai, that I will show you later. So without any further ado, let's then enjoy with a nice swim here at Loh Dalum beach at Phi Phi Island. You have seen there are some nice boats here that can take you to some of the other islands here in Thailand, but the water here is quite different, I would say, compared to the Phi Phi Lone Island, the other one that's next to Phi Phi Don. But the greenery all around is amazing indeed, and it is 31 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is 3 p.m. exactly right now. So on this island, Phi Phi Don, you can also sleep in a hotel and stay here also. I know one acquaintance from Stockholm that is staying here on this island, but there are also limited opportunities you can do from this island because it's only limited amount of area. It's not that huge, but there are lots of beautiful places to explore. So Loh Dalum beach, this is quite small compared to the one in mainland Phuket, but yes, then I'm here on 21st of December and showing you one of the beaches in Phi Phi Island. It is quite close to the ferry terminal, just on the other side. And yes, then, and it is facing west, I believe. So let's go in for a swim. Oh my god, amazing. I have been swimming in many different spots today. This is the third swim, but the fourth spot we have visited, and we have 2 more spots later. So let me just show you a bit more from Loh Dalum beach on the beautiful Phi Phi Island. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.